All right, it's me again. This is problem 7 for hyperbolic geometry, and we are going to make another triangle, and then we are going to, looks like we're going to use the hyperbolic angle bisector tool. Do we have one of those here? There it is, hyperbolic angle bisector. So here we go. Let's make some angle bisectors. Boom, bam, ba-ba. And there we go. There's 3 angle bisectors. They're concurrent, as we saw in our Euclidean geometry. Sip of Diet Dr. Pepper. But the question is, what's the question? Are they concurrent always, sometimes, or never? Hey, let's drag this sucker around. All right, we're going to get crazy. Almost. No matter what I do, I can't get them. Nothing I can do to get them from A being concurrent in the middle of the triangle. So they are concurrent in the middle of the triangle. And no matter how wonky I make this triangle, looks like those angle bisectors stay inside, just like in Euclidean geometry. And it says it's supposed to make an incenter. The incenter. What is the incenter? Who remembers? I don't remember. You're like, Windsor, why are you wasting our time? So maybe we'll try bap. Well, looks like we have an incenter. Looks like we have a circle inside, but we didn't want to move. Oh, look at that. Maybe I did the circle wrong. Maybe I should only have done one thing. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's put some points. Do they have these intersection? Yeah, let's try this one. How about that? And then how about this and that? Are you kidding me? Go away. Sorry. Okay, so now let's try and make a circle here. And where'd you go? Hyperbolic circle. Beak. Okay, so there's a circle. So now let's see if we can grab it and move it around. Oh. What? I don't know, guys. This is looking like it's working, just like in Euclidean geometry. Some of you are like, man, I wish I could be doing this if you can't get it to work. It is kind of fun. All right, that was number 7.